Bali, Indonesia.
Ada lucu sekali.
Right now, I'm walking through a beautiful paddy fields in Bali, Indonesia, but everything is sound very good, beautiful environment, fresh air, everything is great for me, but not for the farmers. How and why? Let me explain this. Indonesian farmers are very worried about because of these crops. If you see, this is a rice crop, and some birds, if you see over there, maybe in camera, some birds are annoying or disturbing and destroying this rice field. So that's why these farmers trying to stay away the birds from the crops. If you see, there is a lot of plastic bags, flags, and fan over there is running with the winds. uh, they are trying to stay away birds from the crops. So it's very interesting for me, but not for the farmers. They are trying to do very hard work. So, hello, permisi Bu. Yes, I want to talk with you. Aku mau tanya, ini untuk apa?
Apa? Di tempat
I-
lain gitu.
ini untuk apa?
Ini
Ya,
ini dah untuk gini, musir burung, musir burung.
yeah. So you try to stay away birds from destroy the crops. You know birds eating this.
Padi.
Yeah, ini.
Padi namanya.
Oh, paddy. Okay.
Padi.
Okay. Yeah. Keep it up. Thank you. Yeah, and good luck. Good luck for you, and good luck for your crops. So she said she is trying to stay away birds from the crops, and they are very worried about because their paddy fields and this rice fields is in danger in these days, because in these days a lot of birds come and eat all the rice. So yeah, that's it. So I want to show you something different or something amazing or something interesting, especially interesting for you. Let's see what is this. If you could see over there is a fan, and they make some structure to make a voice. There is a fan running with the air, and behind is empty can and making noise, and this noise is good for making sound and stay away birds from these crops. So this structure, a lot of this kind of fans they install here, so it's making noise or some voice. So this structure is good for saving the crops. So you can see there is like this structure. Look at that, it's very good for saving the crops. Wow, making sound like this. Woo. Another install over there, and on the other side a lot of this kind of structure they this kind of setup they install here, and a lot of flags. You can see the flags, plastic bags, black plastic bags, and the worker also here for like this they are trying. I want to show you something new, something interesting. Let's follow.
Lagi?
Look at that. They are doing very hard effort to save the crops because a lot of small, it's when I see from the close, it's a very small birds. It's very small birds really, just like this birds, and they are crazy birds. They are trying too much efforts, like making voice and a lot of flag and every efforts, but still a lot of birds are like over there. If you see in the camera, maybe no, because it's a very small birds. Oh my god. So guys, this is the story of Indonesian farmers, how they are trying and hard effort to save the crops. And let me know in the comment section how and what is the best solution to save these crops from very small birds. It's just like small tiny birds and making very trouble for these farmers. So let me tell or share some information or any idea maybe you have how to save these crops from these small tiny birds. So guys, this is the story. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment how to save these crops. I will wait for your best idea how to save crops from these birds.